Hey guys, in today's video, I want to share with you one of the key ways of how you can begin to look younger every day, and it's really not as hard as you think. Now let's get into the video. I exfoliate my skin every single day. Let me repeat it. It's that important. I exfoliate my skin every single day. So why do I exfoliate every single day? Because I want my skin to behave and act younger. And one of the ways to do that is to slough off all the dead skin cells to reveal the new. As we get older, our skin does not turn over as fast as it used to. This is where exfoliation comes into the picture. I stumbled upon Philosophy's Microdelivery Peel on one of my many trips to TJ Maxx. I purchased it for $10. This Microdelivery Peel is a two-step process. It comes with the resurfacing crystals and a warming gel. For step 1, I apply about a teaspoon of the resurfacing crystals to clean dry skin. I apply it on my cheeks, forehead, and chin, and then I gently massage the product into my skin in a circular motion, using the pads of my finger to control the pressure instead of my entire hand so I don't overdo it. I think using a teaspoon is about right. Using it this way, you should be able to get 2 to 3 months out of one jar using it weekly, and even longer using it every other week. However, I like to use this product one time per week and then use my cheaper exfoliators on a daily basis. Here's a tip. I keep multiple scrubs on hand at all times. The last thing I want to have happen is to run out of an exfoliator, or even worse, find an exfoliator that I absolutely love and then they either change the formula or discontinue it. I'm telling you, don't fall in love with just one exfoliator. Always have backups that are just as good. Another option is to make your own homemade face scrub, but I'll save that for another video. The two main ingredients that are in the resurfacing crystals are the vitamin C and firming peptides. Oh, vitamin C, how I love thee, let me count the ways. Well, to start, vitamin C is an antioxidant, meaning it will protect my skin cells from damaging free radicals caused by UV exposure. Vitamin C also inhibits melanin production in the skin, which helps to lighten any hyperpigmentation in my skin. And if any of you have brown spots, yep, vitamin C will fade those too and give you a nice, even skin tone and glow. And I'm all about the glow. The other ingredient, firming peptides, will do what the name says. It will make your skin look firmer, and who doesn't want firmer looking skin? What I like most about this product is that not only does it resurface the skin, but it also adds ingredients like the vitamin C and firming peptides to nourish your skin during the resurfacing step. I can't stress enough how important it is to be gentle with your skin. I'm always gentle when I'm using a face scrub because it's easy to overdo it when using a face scrub. I never, ever, ever scrub my skin. For step 2, I'm applying the lactic and salicylic acid activating gel on top of the resurfacing crystals. The activating gel has a thin, runny consistency, which makes working the resurfacing crystals easier into my skin. Now, Philosophy claims the activating gel will heat up. It does warm up, but not significantly for me to notice. Let me tell you about the two main ingredients that are in the activating gel, lactic and salicylic acid, and why you should care. Lactic acid will smooth the skin and make it look firm. It will also reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. The salicylic acid will dissolve the type of skin debris that clogs your pores and causes acne. It will also dissolve keratin plugs and regulate skin cells. So what the lactic and salicylic acid does when you apply it over the resurfacing crystals is it creates a rapid exfoliation and infuses the peptides and the vitamin C into your skin. I like to work the activating gel into my skin for about 2 minutes before allowing the product to sit for about 5 minutes. After I've waited the 5 minutes, the final step is to thoroughly rinse the product off. When I'm finished, my skin feels smooth and baby soft. I'll link the product mentioned in this video down below. So, do you exfoliate? And if so, comment down below how many times per week. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Well, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.